What's going on, RestoMods? Mike here. We have an awesome feature for you guys from Quarantine Cruise number 7. Just about a week ago, we took our 1964 Corvette Stingray and our old shop truck Blue down to Long Beach, and we cruised up to Huntington Beach. And in our trip, we met Mark, and we took a look at his 1969 Camaro Z+. What's up, RestoMods? I am here with Mark. We're gonna take a look at his 69 Camaro. This thing is super custom. Mark, tell us a little bit about this.
Okay, what we got here is a 69 Camaro that was bone stock, and I've modified it by adding all 3 options from Rally Sport, Super Sport, and Z28 options, plus new technology.
There we go.
Designing the emblems, Z+, ordering the plate, Z First One.
Z First One. I love it.
Okay.
I love it.
So
I love the Z Plus too. Okay, I was looking at that. I was like, this is unique. Is this something I haven't seen before?
Right.
It's your own spin, custom.
It is.
Custom
it
emblems.
is. I took it from the Z28.
I love it. I love it.
And we did it on the corners of the door. I'm on the hood. I'm sorry.
Okay.
And the fenders.
All right.
And also in the back.
Very nice.
Come on, take a look.
I love this line, this black in here.
Yeah, and we go to Route 66 every year out in San Bernardino. So we did the Route 66 inside the black for the cruise route.
That is awesome.
So yeah.
Wow, the back of this car looks almost as good as the front.
Huh?
Wow.
Yeah. So what we're looking at here is LED lights in the rear tail lights. So we pick them up real nice and bright, and they do a sweep as well.
Okay.
We've got a 383 stroker motor in here.
Nice.
4-speed overdrive, 12-volt posi, 4-wheel disc brakes, air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, all the good custom things that we need to go cruising.
Wow, man.
So yeah, so that's what I've done with the car. It's actually been done since '96.
It's looked like this since '96?
Yes.
Wow.
And here we're at what, 2020?
You're taking incredible care of it, man.
Thank you.
This thing looks like it just rolled off of a custom shop.
Thank you.
It's incredible, man.
And I brought it home with an empty shell, had it painted, and put it all together myself.
Wow.
From the motor to the interior, details, building it all up. Okay.
And I really love that hood, that custom popping hood.
Yep, that was a kit,
that's
believe it
a
or not.
showstopper for sure.
Yeah, exactly. That was the whole idea. The color is a 92 dye stealth red.
Okay.
So yeah, so the idea picks up and pops.
Wow, it looks
So
amazing.
it makes you look.
Cool.
So yep, and it's just my toy.
It's beautiful. Thanks
Thank
so
you.
much, Mark. Appreciate you talking to us.
You bet.
And, man, look forward to seeing this thing on the road.
All right, we'll be out there.
Guys, hope you enjoyed taking a look at that beautiful 69 Camaro. If you want your chance to win a classic, head on over to restomods.com and you can get your chance to win our 1964 Corvette Stingray or $50,000 in cash. Head over to YouTube, give us a like and a subscribe. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and shoot some comments below. Let us know if you're liking these videos. The more love we get, the more videos we're gonna do. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Yeah. Reload.